Hey guys, it's Lee with LBV Fishing here. So I went to the coast this weekend with my pal George. Our original intention was to catch our limit on everything that we could. It was kind of difficult with the high winds, however we made the best with what we had. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future videos, and thank you all for watching.
See the big rock over there? That's our goal. Yeah, that one over there. We'll go for that one for now.
So if you take a look at my setup, you'll see that I have an ugly stick with a 50-pound mono line attached to it, and at the end of it I have a size 1 hook with a shrimp on it. Some people like to use bamboo sticks or metal rods. It's up to you on how you want to do it when you're out there during low tide for eels.
George! The rock. You remember these guys, right?
Yeah, we caught some of this before. I don't think my hook's small enough for these guys.
Alrighty. Caught ourselves. Dude, this rock is so small. He's not going to be legal, but they're here. There you go. Woo! Monkey eel. Whoa! You see it, George?
A few moments later.
Whew. Yeah, it smells like poop. I know. Always smells like this. Yeah, I take you to the poop farm. I know. Tell me about it.
You get a pile?
Pile of mussels, that is.
Yeah, so.
Throw them all in a bucket. Not too shabby. Go back over here. Making it look too easy, huh? But we'll just clean it up when we get back. Whew. You guys good? All right. Light. Nothing. Light. None. Changing places. Yeah, I know, I didn't see the trap right there. decent. 5 3/4. Yeah, that one doesn't look too bad. There you go. Right there. Small. See there?
Too small?
Yeah, we're not doing the edge, but from shell to shell. You see what I'm saying?
That's so close.
Yeah, it's all good.
Throw it back.
Yeah. One rock. Rock on. I got a little rock. It's so dark.
If that's 4 inches, we barely.
Oh, I know. Ah.
Yeah, it's 4.
Yeah. Legal. Another rock. Yeah, this one's slightly bigger. You see that?
Yeah.
Whew. Oh my god. Dude, no way. That's a kelp. Dude, that's badass. Yeah, let's measure it. It's gotta be 12 inches, though, just FYI. It doesn't look like it. Hey, you said you haven't caught like a real size fish, right? Can't even see you, dude. It's so dark. Alrighty.
8.
9. 4.1. Both legal. Got a bunch of reds, guys. Right there. Some big ones too.